Students, in this video we will learn about terrestrial habitats, and the first one is desert. So terrestrial habitat means related to ground. All habitats present on the land like forest, grassland, desert, mountains are examples of terrestrial habitats. Animal like cow, lion, deer that live on land are called terrestrial animals. So first we will learn about the desert. What is desert, and which kind of animals and plants actually grow in desert region, and what are the adaptations. Okay, so first, desert. The climate in desert is hot and dry. There is acute shortage of water in desert. They are very hot during day and cold at night. Animals and plants found in the deserts have special features that enable them to survive there, because the nature is not very much suitable for normal living. Okay, a camel has special features which helps it to survive in such conditions. These features allows camels to travel across the desert very easily. If you want to walk in sands, it is not very easy for us, for you and me, because the leg becomes sunken in sand, and many other kind of difficulties arise. But there are certain features that the desert animal has that helps them to adapt in this adverse condition. Thus they allow so we are talking about the camels. Thus they are also called as sheep of desert. This is a short question that may come. Name the animal which is sheep of desert. So the answer will be camel. Some of these features are as follows. These are the adaptive features of camels that helps them to actually sustain in this adverse climatic condition. So what are the features? Camels have long legs to keep the body away from the hot sand. Broad padded feet help them to walk on the sand without sinking into it. They can drink a lot of water at a time, which they store in their stomach. They do not sweat. They excrete very little urine. Their body conserves most of the water. They store fat in the hump that acts as a food reserve. They have long eyelashes that protect their eyes from blowing sands. They can keep their nostrils closed to keep sands and dust out. So these are the adaptive features. All these features help them to live in desert. Okay, other animals like rats and snakes, which are found in desert, stay in the burrows during the day to keep away from intense heat. They come out only during the night when it is cooler. It was about the animals. Now we will learn about plants. What are the adaptive features of plants that live in desert? Plants like cactus, which are found in desert, have some features that enable them to survive there. These features are as follows. Look, conservation of water is a main feature that we can found in both the animals and plants. Let's see what are the adaptive features of cactus. Their leaves are reduced to spines or thorns to reduce loss of water. Okay. Their stems are green and fleshy, and photosynthesis takes place in their stem, not in leaves, because leaves are converted into thorns to reduce the loss of water. Okay. The stem of cactus is covered by a waxy coating which reduces the loss of water. Such plants that retain water inside their body are known as succulent plants. The roots are long and reach deep into the soil to absorb water. So these were the features of desert plants. Okay, there is an activity which you may do in your home. Take a potted cactus plant if you have any, and if you have not, there is no need of doing this activity. A potted green leafy plant like rose. We have to take two types of plants. One is specially adaptive for desert like cactus, and a cactus, and another is rose plant. Tie a polythene to some leaves on the leafy plant and fleshy stem of the cactus plant. Put both these potted plants out in the sun for a few hours. You will observe a lot of water droplets in the inner surface of the polythene tied on the green leafy plant, and only a few droplets will be seen in the inner side of the polythene bag tied on the cactus. This happens because green plants release more water through their process of transpiration and compared to the plants found in desert areas. So in the activity is about the comparison of transpiration in leafy plants and cactus. If you have both the plants, you can do this in your home, otherwise leave it.